Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, English and Early Learning with Sadia. This is your Class 11 Module 2. Topic is Weekend Plans. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to ask about weekend plans, make plans together, invite friends politely, accept and refuse invitations politely, use common weekend vocabulary, use idioms and everyday expressions in natural conversations, build confidence in speaking English about weekend activities. Dialogue 1. Asking about weekend plans.
Hey, Sarah, what are you up to this weekend?
Nothing much. I'm meeting my cousins to catch up.
That sounds great. What else are you planning to do?
Maybe I'll stay home and take it easy on Sunday.
Nice. Everyone needs a relaxing weekend sometimes.
Dialogue 2. Making plans together. Do you have any plans for Saturday?
Not really.
How about going to the park for a picnic?
Sounds like a plan. Count me in.
Great. We can leave around 6 o'clock.
Perfect. Let's hit the road early before the traffic starts.
Dialogue 3. Inviting a friend.
Hi, Hina. We're having a barbecue this Saturday. Would you like to join us?
I'd love to.
Awesome. Everyone from our class is coming.
Really? I can't wait.
It's going to be so much fun.
I'm sure. We'll have a blast. Dialogue 4. Accepting an invitation.
We're watching a movie this Friday. Would you like to come?
Sure, I'm up for it.
Great. What movie genre do you like?
Mystery and thriller movies are right up my alley.
Perfect. That's exactly what we're planning to watch.
Then it's going to be an amazing night. Genre, meaning, a category or type of entertainment. Examples: horror, comedy, action, romance, science fiction, sci-fi. Dialogue 5. Refusing an invitation politely. We're going hiking this Sunday. Would you like to come?
Thanks for inviting me, but I'm tied up this weekend.
Oh, that's okay.
Can I take a rain check?
Of course. Maybe next weekend.
Sounds good. Have fun.
Question: what does take a rain check mean? Comment below. Dialogue 6. Relaxing after a busy week. You worked really hard this week. I know. This weekend I just want to recharge my batteries. Sometimes relaxing is the best plan. Maybe I'll read a book and sleep in.